Here's a number nobody shows you in the ads. Most first trading accounts don't survive their first year. Not because new traders are stupid, because nobody told them the 5 rules that actually decide survival. Strategy videos are everywhere. Survival rules are not. So here they are, 5 rules for new traders, if you don't want to blow up your first account. Rule number 3 is the one that hurts the most to hear. First, understand why beginners actually blow up. It's almost never one bad trade. It's a chain, a too big position, taken emotionally, held too long, repeated after a loss to win it back. Every blown account tells the same story with different candles, which means the fix isn't predicting the market better. It's breaking that chain at every link. That's exactly what these 5 rules do. Rule 1, risk so small it feels boring. On any single trade, risk a tiny fixed slice of your account, small enough that losing feels like nothing. Beginners hate this rule because progress feels slow. But here's the reframe. Your first year isn't for making money. It's for learning to execute without shaking. You can't learn anything while your heart is pounding. And with small risk, the market can hit you a dozen times in a row and you're still standing. Rule 2, decide your maximum loss for the day before the day starts. And when you hit it, you're done. Written down while you're calm. Not done if it gets worse. Done. This is the seatbelt that turns a red morning into a small bad day. Instead of the night, you try to win it all back and donate the whole account by 2 a.m. One number, decided in advance, protects you from the most expensive version of yourself. Rule 3, the one that stings. Never add to a losing trade. When you're down, a voice will tell you to buy more and lower your average. It feels smart. It feels brave. It's the single fastest way. Beginners turn a small loss into a funeral. Adding to a loser is doubling your bet that you're right at the exact moment the market is saying you're wrong. If a trade proves you wrong, you're out. Not out and back in bigger. Just out. Rule 4. Judge yourself on the process, not the money. At the end of each session, ask one question. Did I follow my rules, yes or no? A winning trade where you broke your rules is a bad trade that happened to pay you. A losing trade where you followed everything is a good trade. Beginners who grade themselves on profit quit within months because early profit is mostly noise. Grade the process. It's the only score you control. Rule 5. Keep a 3-line journal because your memory will lie to you. After every trade, the setup and reason, the feeling, the lesson written as a rule. 2 minutes. 30 trades of honest lines will show you your own pattern. The time of day, the emotion, the exact door your worst trades sneak in through. You can't fix what you can't see, and no one else can see it for you. Put them together and look at what you have. Small risk keeps every mistake affordable. The daily stop caps the bad days. Never adding to losers kills the fastest account killer. Grading the process keeps you sane while skill grows. And the journal turns every week into a lesson. None of this predicts the market. That was never the point. It makes you unkillable while you learn. Survival first, skill second. Profit is just what's left when you stop leaking. And here's the quiet truth about who actually makes it. It's almost never the brilliant beginner with the hot streak. The market takes those back. It's the boring one who risks small, stops on time, refuses to average down, grades their own discipline, and writes 3 lines a night. Boring survives. Boring compounds. Boring is still trading next year, while brilliant is explaining what happened to an empty account. So, 5 rules if you don't want to blow up your first account. Risk boring small, set your daily stop, never add to a loser, grade the process, and keep the evidence. Don't install all 5 at once. Pick the one you break most and start there tonight. And if you want to build these habits alongside other traders protecting their first accounts, there's a free community. The link is in the description. No hype, no signals, just people learning to survive first. Your first account isn't supposed to make you rich. It's supposed to make you a trader. If you keep it alive long enough to finish the lesson.